Hi, I am Dr. Shahdi Amri, your physics instructor. Today we will start our first video on my YouTube channel and we will discuss about the significant figure. Let me define what means significant figure. Significant figures are the meaningful digits in the measurements. As you know, the integer and the digits can be zero and can be different to the zero. For the non-zero digits or the non-zero integers, they are always counted as significant figures. Let's take an example. We see here the example of 1457. How many significant figures in this number? You see that 1 is different to 0, 4 different to 0, 5 different to 0, and 7 is different to 0. So how many non-zero integers in this number? We have four numbers, 4 digits. So how many significant figures in this number? We have 4 significant figures, okay? The same thing here for 23.3. How many non-zero integers? We have 3 non-zero integers. So how many significant figures? So the number of significant figures is 3, of course. It's clear? Now let's discuss about the zero integers or the zero digits. For the zero, we have 3 different types of zero. The first is called leading zero. This leading zero is the zero located on the left of the number. Let's see here an example. 0.0025. How many leading zero in this example? We have 1, 2, and 3 leading zero. The leading zero is never counted as significant figure. So how many significant figure in this number? We have 2 and we have the 5. So how many significant figure? We have 2 significant figures. The second example of the zero and the second type of the zero is the captive zero. Captive zero is the zero located between the digits of the number. You can see here that 1 is non-zero integer. 8 is non-zero integer. Between them, there is 2 zeros. So the captive zero is always counted as significant figure. Is always counted as significant figure. So how many significant figure in this number? We will count all the integers. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have 4 significant figures. The last and the third type of the zero is called a trailing zero. The trailing zero is the zero located on the right of the number. We can see here an example, 100. 1 is non-zero digit, and 00 are located on the right of the number, so they are called trailing zero. These trailing zero are only count in the number with a decimal point. So in the case of 100, there is no decimal point, so they are not counted as significant figure. So how many significant figure? We have only 1 significant figure. In the second example, 100, and here we have a decimal point here. So these trailing zero will be counted as significant figure, and the number of significant figure is 3. And the last example, we have 120.0. How many significant figure? At first, let me check if there is a decimal point or there is no. In our case, we have a decimal point. So these trailing zeros are counted as significant figure, and the number of significant figure in this case is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think it's clear.